Hi everyone. At eParivartan, we have always believed that every project has a story, not just of what we built, but why it began.
And over the last 23 years, we met founders, creators, and leaders who shaped our journey in their own ways.
So we thought, why not bring those stories forward? Welcome to Founders in Frame.
It's not an interview, it's not a testimonial, just honest conversations with people who have grown with us.
They talk about their experiences, challenges, and what it really takes to build something meaningful.
Short, simple, real. Just people talking about work, experiences, and growth.
We can't wait for you to hear these conversations.
Welcome to Founders in Frame.
The Parivartan stories.